another Friday night. We have this barbecue, the carnivore night today. So every Friday we have this carnivore night. So we have the buffet down there. See? Hold on. That's our buffet. Every Friday. All meat. Alright. Again, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The Naked Mixology on my IG, my Facebook page, and then my YouTube channel.
You had a long week too. That's what I said. You had a long
Here's
week.
the salad section.
See this lady over here? What's my last name? You're from Texas. Right, I remember. Where you guys from over here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like Cowboy. Cowboy's a nice area.
Bread.
Where you guys from? New Jersey.
Crusted roast beef.
All right, Jersey.
The chef. Our new chef.
You have city, you have New York.
All the sauce down there.
You have the beach. You have the mountains. Yeah, they got it all. I haven't been to Jersey yet. I've been to New York a few times, but I gotta come to Jersey, right? Absolutely. Yeah,
Kitchen spice.
He's not from He's not from Canada. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, they go there.
Mac and
You guys
cheese.
are talking so good. Where you guys from?
Chicken tender.
Okay, cool. Really nice. Good having you in my island.
And then a
Massachusetts.
dessert. This coconut macaron.
Anything?
Dark chocolate brownie.
Where you guys from over here? This table.
There's water.
Maryland. Okay, nice. He said another 4 hours or so and you became on spot.
There we go.
Yeah.
Never try to resist, oh no. Oh, let your love come shining me.
Worky, 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 worky. Nice. I wish I could still do that. Don't take on out. Worky, 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 worky. Give her a nice round of applause.
Hey, another night, another day. Done again. So fun last night. It's slow from the start and it's busy at the end, so it's good. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Naked Mixology, and my IG and then my Facebook page, Naked Mixology. And by the way, this is Steven, and in Bisaya, Steven. Steven, say hello, Steven. This is the YouTube.
Hi.
So have a good night. I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, live share. Thank you.